everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are absolutely fine. So today in this video, I have created this makeup look right here using one single brand, which is Mars Cosmetics. I have not done my base makeup with that, but rest everything is from this same brand, and I absolutely love their product. These are the first time I am trying them, and I pretty much loved it, and they are so affordable. So if you guys are interested to know what are the products I got from Mars, and this is how the branding is, I pretty loved it. So if you are interested to know, please carry on watching the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time, then hi, I am Prakriti. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. That would mean a world to me, and you will have a really great time here with me, I really hope. So without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so I did my base makeup. This is how it looks. Now let me quickly start with the first product that I have from the Mars. This is their eyebrow pencil, and this is how it look like. इसका जो भी eyebrow pencil है कुछ ऐसे दिखता है. It got two ends. The first one you have the eyebrow. I got it in the jet black color, and there is another end which got a brush. The end is very precise. I don't know if you can see. It got this angle shaped. Okay, so can I see the difference? This is what it does. So first I draw it, then with the help of the spoolie, I will be brushing out so that you get that bushy kind of eyebrow, you know. You can see the difference, right? So let me complete this one and then I'm getting back into it. So moving to the next item, I have their eyeshadows. This is the one which I got, and I got another as well. So this is how the two eyeshadows look like. This is the 9 one, that the 9 shade it's got, and here you get 15 number of shades, and both are very pretty. Let me show you this one first. This is moreover the pastels and browns and pinks color, the everyday color you need to have in your eyeshadow. I just love their packaging, and this is how it look like if I open it. So yeah, so this is how all the colors look like. मैंने ये shimmer थोड़ा सा use किया है. Oh my god, their shimmers are so creamy and good. However, I got another palette from Mars as well. So this is how the palette look like. It got much more brighter and you know, pink and everything in it, and it also has these nudes and shimmers as well. As for the prices, Mars product are so good. So how beautiful the color shades are. It's like the mini, this is the mini version of this one, because it got all the shades of from this, because it has this black, this nude color, brown, this brown also got this shimmer. So I'll be starting with this nude color right here. Today's makeup look to be as like dark bold eyes with nude lips. I use brushes only for those precise lining things, doing for the eyeshadows. Otherwise I really prefer with my fingertips. Those are the best, and how nicely it blends, can I tell you that. So I will be taking this color now and doing my outer eyes. Okay, that's it. This angled color bar eye brush right here, this is so precise. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks. That using this I'll be drawing my fake eyeliner using the black eyeshadow right here. We have it already has this angle. You don't need to do much, because just put it like this and you are done. This is so good. Yeah, that's it. Also, I will be doing my lower lash line as well.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so here I am back. So my eyeshadow is complete. I blended out everything possible. So yeah, this is how it looked like. Next I will go to their mascara, and this mascara is so good. It is not waterproof, and what I like the most about it is the fact, and it got a two-step process right here. So first step it gives you elongates, and the next step it gives you the volumes. So this mascara is overall, the packaging and everything is very thoughtful. I pretty loved it, and how voluminous the eyelashes look like, I just can't tell you. Called the Double Trouble mascara. Hands down one of the best mascara I have used. It's easily glides off, it just melts out. So I am using the first step right here. This is how the wand look like. It supposed to lengthen your lashes, so let me try it. So can you see the difference, this and this? So this is how it lengthens your lashes. So yeah, can you see the difference? So this is the first step. So this is the next one, which is supposed to give you the volume. And so here you go. So this one and this one, barely I have my lashes, and then it does this wonder to me. I think amazing. So let me complete this eye, and then I'm getting you back. Also at the same time I will be doing my lower lash line as well. Wow. Okay, so moving to the next thing that I got from Mars is their lipstick. So I got this 3 lipstick palette right here. I mean, this is a palette and these are the 2 lipsticks I got this time. So let me quickly show you one by one. And for today's look, I will be trying this palette right here because I'm very much interested. I haven't tried this one before, so today I will be using this one. For that, let me tell you a little about this. So first I got this 3-in-1 matte lipstick. These are all the bullets one. I pretty loved it. मैं swatch करके नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. I will be showing in a form of shots. अभी तक तुम लोगों ने देख लिया होगा. So this is how it looked like. These are the matte 3 matte lipstick in a trio form, and I got it in the reds and maroons, which is the 01 it called. So it got a beautiful red color, a maroon color, and even a coffee-ish color, which I love the most. How much I love browns. And the next trio I got is their, oh my god, so beautiful liquid lipstick. This is again very pretty. So yeah, it got a magenta color, a red color, and a nude color. Just amazing. इसका भी जो भी swatches है, I will show you in a form of shots. अभी तक तुम लोगों ने देख लिया होगा hopefully. And yeah, this retails for 385, but you will be getting it in lesser prices or so. And this one retails for rupees 447, but offer pay you will be getting at 399 only. So this is the best deal that you can grab. And yeah, thank me later. So I just love this. So for today's makeup look, I will be trying this palette as I have said. It retails for rupees just 300, can you believe? And it got so many shades right here. I made it. Okay. Yeah, this is how the shades look like. All these are really creamy texture it got. So you get this brush as well as this spoolie kind of thing, and these are all the shades. I am so interested. My god, this is so creamy and pigmented. I just loved it. You just mix and match and wear according to your dresses and everything. You will be not run out of any shades, right? Because you can just mix and match and do anything of your choice. So let me do something. So I will be using all the nudes, and let me just this one. Okay, so next one I will be trying this nude shade right here. Okay, so this is the best I could achieve from this palette right here, and I pretty much loved playing with the colors and mixing, matching everything, and I can see a lot of potential from this palette right here. It got all the shades. You have this purples and everything so that you can mix, match and do any shades of your choice, and you got these nude shades right here as well. These are mostly the shades I use, like this, you know, the brown one, then this pink, and yeah, I mix match all this and could do this shade right here. I loved it, and the best part is that it comes with this, you know, lip brush. I was really thinking before opening this package that I need a brush, and I was lacking a lip brush, because nowadays who really uses a brush? But then if you have this kind of palette, it is really life-saving, because you have all the shades right here in one single go. So yeah, I loved it. You have this spatula at the same time. Can you see right here? So yeah, the spatula you can take out, dig out. For, you know, the one who are the makeup artists and doing of their clients, just take a little bit with the help of this pulley and mix and match and go with it. Just amazing. So many people can use from this palette, so that's the best thing I can find. Also the prices are so less and very much affordable, so I highly recommend this palette. So also at the same time, I put some blushes using this palette only, because as the video is all about Mars Cosmetics, and I have created this everyday going makeup look using all these products shown you. All the links of the products I have shown in this video will be linked down on the description box below. Please find it from there. And that's it for this video. I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Mwah. Bye.